Hello everyone, and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Get ready to make a vibrant red, white, and blue watermelon salad that's super easy to make. Just a little time prepping your fruit and you're ready to celebrate summer. The juicy watermelon, sweet blueberries, and crumbled feta add patriotic flair. Top it all off with a special dressing, and with 4th of July right around the corner, it's a light, delicious addition to your picnic or barbecue. Ready to get started? Well, grab your apron and let's dive into summer. Okay, to start out, we're going to mix up our dressing, and the recipe calls for a tablespoon of lime juice and 3 tablespoons of honey. I'm not going to try and measure that, I'm just going to kind of eyeball it. You want to put that in your big bowl. And we're just going to whisk that together. And it's basically just going to, as we put our fruit in and toss it, it's just going to lightly coat it. Now I have 6 cups of chopped, cubed watermelon, and it's about one sort of small watermelon. If you can find seedless, all the better. Otherwise, you're like me and you're going to have to seed it as you cube it, which makes it take a little bit longer, but it's still not a big deal. Then I have 2 cups of sliced strawberries, fresh strawberries, and 1 cup of blueberries, fresh blueberries. Now you want to use tongs, or I have these big salad hands, and you just want to toss it gently. You don't want to tear everything up, just so that everything gets a little bit of a coating of that dressing. And you can see it takes on sort of a glossiness. Now we're just going to add our feta cheese. We need about 1/2 cup of crumbled up feta. That's going to give us the white for our red, white, and blue. And then we're going to stir it just gently again, just gently tossing it. And then I'm going to put it in a different serving bowl just because this one is kind of large. And then the final step is I have 1/3 cup of torn mint leaves. We're just going to sprinkle that over the top. I'm going to save some of them for the rest of the salad that's in that other bowl, so that when this bowl empties, we have some to replenish it. And there you have it, your red, white, and blue watermelon salad. It's best eaten within 4 hours. Otherwise, you start to lose the texture of your fruit because it starts to continuously macerate and add juices to it. Easiest thing to do is prep your food ahead of time, and then just before you're ready to serve, mix it all together. Now that just screams summer. Whether you're picnicking by the lake, hosting a backyard barbecue, or just craving a refreshing treat, this salad is for you. So grab a fork, take a bite, and let the flavors explode. As always, the recipe is just below the like button, as well as a link so that you can print it out. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, have fun in the kitchen.